Take out the door panel and side frame, peel off the protective film on them. Next, insert the door bolts on both sides of the door panel. Then take out the door lock and install it on the door panel through the holes. Be careful not to confuse the screws with those of the lock retainer. Then flip the door panel and install the retaining ring on the lock cylinder. Take out the lock retainer and fix it to the shelf with screws. Pay attention to the position of the baffle facing forward. There is a shelf here that does not require a baffle. Then take out the side frame and the shelf with the baffle installed. Align the two groove positions. Tighten the screws on the side frame. Then install the next shelf in order. Install the remaining shelves. Finally, install the shelf without the locking clip. Flip the frame. Insert the back panel along the shelf groove. Note that the holes on the back panel here should face upwards. Install the remaining back panels with the holes aligned in the same direction. Take out the other side frame and align the groove positions. Then use screws to complete the installation. Straighten the frame. Take out the light strip pack and take out the light strip inside. Insert the light strip plug into the hole at the back of the backboard. Peel off the tape on the back of the light strip and stick it to the bottom of the shelf. Then install the remaining light strips onto the rack in the same way. Take out the power cord. Insert the light wire into the power cord. Note if the light does not turn on, it may be inserted incorrectly here. Next, take out the control wire. Insert the control wire into the side of the power cord. Next, use screws to install the switch base at the desired position. Snap the switch in place. Install the assembled door panel onto the cabinet. Here the details are demonstrated again. The side can be pressed in. Then insert the metal clip strip under the door panel. Install the remaining door panels using the same method. Plug in the power, and the installation is complete.